O Messenger of God, what will happen to the poor after you? What will happen to Muslims without you? Say something, O the Prophet of God.
The Messenger of God is saying something.
Bring me paper and pen so that I can write to you so that you do not go astray after me.
Will you write? The Prophet seems afflicted with disease. He seems to be in state of mental confusion. God's book is enough for us.
Let's gather at Saqifa Bani Sada.
Yes.
Yes, that's right.
Hurry up! Come on! Come on! Hurry up! Come on! Come on! The Caliph will be one of us because we accepted Islam as religion first.
He will be one of us because we are related to the Prophet.
No. One of us.
On the 18th of Zil-Hajj, the 11th year of the Hijra, Prophet Muhammad on his return from Hajj gathered all the pilgrims at the place called ghadeer, khum, and recited a sermon. After stating that Ali is master of all mu'mineen, he said,
For whomever I am master, Ali is his master as well. O Allah, love those who love him and hate those who hate him.
No way, how did you forget so quickly?
No, it can't be. No one should be caliph, other than him.
We swore allegiance to him along with thousands of companions.